Mayambu taram oksari danen gi lairik nainaba asida nasi ekhone nainagadro se chapter 8 the vision of Ram and he God adi danen aki Ram yaung matsa amasung hameng laba sigi vision gi maramda ekhone danen chapter 8 asli ekhone khara nainase nasi loina danen 8 asli nainabu ngamoi ekhone khara ahan bagi khara dang ado nainase masi khangbai am darkalai maramdi Prabhu Jisu Christ na jo hai krabne Matthew 24 da hari danen gi lairik ase paba mising na khangsin hoina aroi matam ta himli ba ekhoina masi gi lairik ani sin nei na base yamna darkalai aduwa ayamba Protestant church na hari ba masi gi prophecy sing ase phajana nei na de aduwa phajana su ba ta de ekhoina Bible de gi purpose ya base ekhoina Bible to Bible interpretation ina mamang de gi hore se ko isara na te duga history da madugi fulfillment ado ekhona yengbani ngachi so madugi niyom aduda ekhona adum sathagani hanbada ishora prathna tawse sagada leba yamnu mingchu charaba thojan haiba asa mirai nai ta asuki mati pangan kanba loksin kutu mati horfom moide be pai sho na ko hinga ni thana thaga chare pa nasiki namit asita ekhona danen chapter 8 ase naina garo pa na ki thawai seng badana danen prophet inspire tawagi ikyuni aduna na ki thawai aduna ko inspire tawaga masigi naina ba se padana papta hanbiu aduga achim baje khangduna Prabhu Jisu Christ na lak se kyam na e have se ai khoina fazna khangja ngamba haibu hanbiu tare ba yengi ba isinaw khading ba su chamana ba bor do pina pitana asum ba se discover tawduna na ki ning thawla ba sangba na ki adugumba haibe inba roibe matam na ko opi ngamba nupa nupi habdo ohimju Prabhu Jisu Christ gi mi kurumjari amen koi matam mangala gumse adum sangsala se danen chapter 8 ki verse 1 de ki adum horasi masida hai in the third year of the reign of King Belshazzar a vision appeared unto me hadi Belshazzar na ahum suba sahi panba matamda ishona danen da vision ama ulami ngona pipira me hani aduna Belshazzar na ahum suba panba sahi habse 550 BC ni masima laire unto me after that which appeared unto me at the first cycle even unto me danen engonda after that which appeared unto me at the first another ukibado adugi matunda adugumna engonda su honbirami verse 2 sangshala say and I saw in a vision ama uki it came to pass asumna oiraki when I saw in uba matamda I was at Susan in the palace aduna Susan haiba magi palace asida mahak lairam ni habi which is in the province of Ilam province ki makhada and I saw in a vision ang urami and I was by the river of Ulai aina Urai river gi manakta lairam ni harabi verse 3 da mungin se dam explain tawroi then I lifted up mine eyes aina agi mit thangkatuni yengi and saw urami and behold there stood before the river a ram aduga turen adugi mamangda yaulaba masama lerami with two horns maki masi ani palami the horns were high ba masi sing ado loina wangami havne but one was higher than the other amana atopa amadudagi wangbe helami and the higher came of last awangba aduna kona lakhirami have sidaida verse 4 si amuk para sa duga explain tawjarake and I saw aina urami the ram pushing westward aduna ram habisna west push habigi athadi ekhoina sida yengba matam khangani ayen more aider ke push habigi athadi war against mahana west makaida nongchup maikaida and northward kha maikaida awang maikaida and southward kha maikaida mahana lan tawrami so that no beast might stand before him magi mamangda samata lepangamde neither was there any that could deliver out of his hand mahaki makutagi karamta bukan bangamde but do whenever he did according to his will mahaki aning ba adugi matung ina mahang tawrami and became great adugo mahaki yam kalami aduna verse 4 da haidi se mahaki pangal yamna pangal ram asina pangal kalakpa adugi maramda haibani sinoksa ekhoni yengsi haiba ram ase kanano haiba matamda ekhoi masti Daniel 8 ki 20 da ekhoi parase ki 20 da sidai the Bible explain to Jeremiah sinoksa mamang da jupakan the ram which thou sawest having two horns are the kings of Media and Persia aduna masi ani panba nahang uriba yaula ba macha ado maduna karineba Media ki ning thoni maduna the kings of Media and Persia amasung Media ki ning thau singni aduna Bible na yamna mayek chenge masi daibdi hai liba yaw macha ase kanano kari bu khangne haiba matanda masina ning thau Media amasung Persia ki ning thau asibu khangne ekhan Daniel 2 da amasung Daniel 7 da chu ekoina nenya khrabani masigi maramda ekoina yamna neinaragumsi aduga masida hai mahaki masi ani pale masi ani makto wangi hai aduga atopa amana amadagi hena wangi kona lakpa adun hena wangi haibase ekhoni yengase masi ani sina symbolize tawdise masina Media amsung Persia bukhana ekhona amana Media ni amana Persia ni masina khanai aduga awangba aduna kona lakhi khwaidigi wangba asina kaino haiba matamda masina Persia gi ningthau adugu aikhoina khangnei masi yengba yai aduna Cyrus ki makhada Persia se asukki mati wangki mana pangkal lei aduga akhoina sida mamang da so haikre Daniel chapter 7 da ju masado ama sawongi masado amana wangi amana nemi habni masi dege akhoina khangne masi karigino haiba matamda Media ga Persia ga de kamain mari de nege haiba matamda Media ki ningthau Darius ki masanupi ase Cyrus ki maman aduna masina Persia gi ningthauna mahaki nupi oina lawbani aduna maram oidana makoi je lan safa matanda adum alai oi makoi amata oina adum samina yabani aduna ngasai Darius na sikraba matungdadi Cyrus na laiba ani asi punna samina mahana general oidambadagi mahana ningthau oirega ani mokche punna mahana wanki aduna mahana pamba matanda maki pamla do asaki mati kalami aduna verse 4 sa haje haiba ram asina pul akoina Hebrew word ta akoina yengba ta so mai meaning pul sa de na akoina dictionary de yengba matam de khangani pushing westward ay madu matam pizarori masi yam important oi de nate mahana west mahana lanta do ma ke je west lai nongsu kha awang adu de east side ro na yaude haiba ngasi ram asikrai de lapno is the ilakane ekhona Persia gumba haise karino magi direction matung na Persia ekhona Iraq haitare sugum pham siguma jaga atudagi mahana lakpani magi origin de is dagini aduga mahana west mahana lan tawba matamda west haise masai Medo Persia gi west level lebak sing adu khara lai maroina Babylon Syria Greece asine aduna maroina mana haide lebak sing asi lawsan gi aduna ekhona khange Daniel chapter 5 ta mahaki aroiba khona Babylon gi Belshazzar haiba ningthau maithi ba biraga mahana loksan gi bagi wari lare north laiba lebak singdi Iberia Armenia Albania haide lebak sing asine haide lebak sing asisu mahana loksan gi south na khona Ethiopia Egypt India le haide lebak sing Africa gi lebak sing asine aduna India je ekhona Esther 1:1 da paba matamdadi makoi gi Medo Persia gi makoina lebak sa makuntare ki maninda India phawni Ethiopia de India phawle kucham kuntare makoina loksali habni musina palibani sinawsa smai to dana ma ke yam kalami ma ki mama sa am ta lepungam de sa ha je khone khangre ma Daniel 7 da ekhoni bom tanda 17 bom tanda 24 bom tanda ekhoni khangre madudi sa ama sina ni thole ba mi aduna ma na kalinge batamda ma ka lamba pa bangamba leibak amata leiramde aduna ma ki aning fa atugi matuna ma na tawami he was great hai ko mana habnish leader became great yamna mapangkan kalami haina sumna sida amuk pare khoina mathangda amuk jengase Daniel masilera 5 ta amuk jengase aki 5 ta sangchalase as I was considering aina sumna khanduna leinda Behold, and he God came from the west on the face of the whole earth. Aduna nongchuk maikhaidagi hameng laba ama lakpa aina urami hai. And touch not the ground. Mahana lakpa matamda leibak thengamde. Leibak thengde. And the God had a notable horn within his size. Maki mamit ani dugi marakta yamna sungthan ngai oiba adugumba masi ama palami hai. Verse 6 and he came to the ram that had 2 horns. Masi ani pamba yaulaba masa aduda mahana lami. Which I had seen standing before the river to the imamang the leper uriba yaudada, and ran unto him in the fury of his power. Maki shakti ki asau bagloinana haiba ram aduda he got aduna hamen lava aduna paishalami. Verse 7 and I saw him come close unto the ram aduga nangana lakudorami, and he was moved with choler against him. Moved choler at yamna sauna haiba mahaki manakta yaw lava adugi manakta mahana salami smote the ram yaw adubu mahana hatomi henko smote furami yaitharami break his 2 horns maki masi anido dekirami, and there was no power in the ram to stand before him. Maki mamangda lemningai yaw aduna maki mamangda lemningai gi sakti leramde, but he cast him down to the ground mahana mahpul laimai da langtharami, stamped upon him mana makhona mana nekhairami kompana nekhairami, and there was none that could deliver the ram out of his hand. Mahaki makut ram kana mahaki makutagi ram adubu kanbingai kanasu lairam de. Verse achibu parage. Therefore the he got waxed very great. Aduna haiba haming lapa yamna kalami. When he was strong mahna kanba matamda the great horn was broken. Maki asobu masiya to take hirami, and for it came up for notable ones toward the 4 winds of heaven. Aduga masi tu matunda mari ama tholam heko toward the 4 winds of the heaven. Aduna sagagi nungsit mari gi maikaida maikei mari gi maita masi mari tholam ni hai. Masida ikhoni yengasi madudi ikhoni ram adubu maithi do kiba adugumba he god adu karino haibse aikhoi amuk pazarake. Pase 21 da ikhona parse 21 da the rough God yamna tamthiba God is the king of Gracia mahana Gracia gi ningthawni, and the great horn that is within his eyes is the first king. Aduga mamit ani gi marta paliba masi aduna makoi gi ahanda ningthawni haina Bible da masida mekina tai aikoni yengse haiba yaw haiba hameng la ba sikrai de gi lakuno istegi lakne istegi ko khona sai Babylon gi akhona Medo Persia gi maram da jle khona east akhona west maikei de kana lai ba Babylon gi west maikei de kana lai everything sai Christul lai haina pankre maduni lai aduga man hai masina aikona Daniel 7 gi di aikona leopard like beast masa mari pamba adugi sha du samane masida haje mana lakong matamda touch no the ground laimai do mana sokte hai haibi ati laimai sokta taragadi mahana pairaga lai hai yam takna lai hai yam chela lai hai aduna ikhoina mamangi Daniel 7 da jo khoina khangre masa mari pamba yam Alexander Prithvi conquer to se only 1 aduni masida palipse hai and the end the great horn had a notable horn. Aduga maki mamit ani gi marta lairiba masi aduna khoina sai pagre ahan baning thonge hai madudi kanano Kristi ahan baning thau akan baning thau din kanano haiba matamda Alexander the Great haibasini masi gi matamda ine yam palaroige aduna mahangni yam nakanba mahangni aduga mahangna kaiduge matamda asagi ram adugi masi ani da thude haibidi asagi aikhoina Sai Medo amsung Persia gi ningthodo akoina maithi ba pikre masida so ayam halaroge akoina Darius Kodomas ki moigi mi akoina lak taruk muka lising humfuga sorry lak taruka sumna tangi ma lising kuntraga Alexander gi October 1 gi Peter of Avila da maithi ba irai laina maithi ba pikirni hang asina habi ma yang mai sini haibasini mane am saure aduga mana hatpaje the break his 2 horns masi today verse 7 na no power mana hariba sa adugi mai mamang dale pangambagi sakti leite mai ge khongpana do khairega hali hai aduga verse item changalase aduna hariba sa hameng laba sina suki matik pangan kanba matamda kari dawi haba matamda maki asobo masi do teme hariba asobo masi do Alexander do sirame asuki matik Greek na ko asuna Greece na asuki matik pangan kalaba matamda Alexander sirame sikirame aduna khoina mamangi khoina Daniel 2 amsung 7 ma kamai siki mana kamai toromni habdu maram da khoina yam nei nakre aduda na khoina hela detail sangbiro mana sirabo matung da haiko for it came up for notable words toward the winds of the heaven aduga ma sirabo matung da masi mari hengo notable one sai ko mari singkha ya ba mari thole hai mari thwe adu khoina muk pasi verse khoina 22 da muk pasi yingminersin now they are being broken maze kai maze tiek laba maram na whereas four stood up for it masigi mohta masidu tekre masigi mohta masi mari to e hai four kingdoms shall stand up out of the nation haiba Greece haiba lebak asidigi aduna jati mari ningthau lebang mari tholakani but not in his power adu ma ki sakti da Alexander gi sakti da natte hai madudi haiba masi Alexander na sikhaba matungda masi mari adudi karino kona danan 7 da ko chapter 7 da man yengbi adu bai sida chumnati palamge hariba lusingba mari adudi Cassander West Mesopotamia ko masida mana masida sasan tawe Ptolemy jina South Egypt ta ko maroina Egypt ki jaga asida mahana sasan tawami mathangda Seleucus maroina mana Babylon adu ka Syria hariba sini adu mamai thanda mana Syrian kingdom ko Syria gi ningthau lebak sing ase mana maki makhada num rule tawdana le adun Syrian dynasty ga de mana le khati bne Syria forenjo lakne porda Lysimachus masina northani masina Asia Minor ko koine Asia le je masigi minor da le lebak sing ase masigi jaga se mahana control tawdana leiramni asini sina leira ram ga hi god ki vision do masida leire mathangda ikoina amu yengse masida verse to omo khena parase verse 9 da hai yam maru waise and out of one of them makoi manung degi amat kole hai ko came forth a little horn apikpa masi makoi gi marak tagi apikpa masi ama thola I hai with wax exceeding great mahti haning ai leitana kono kali hai kale toward the south koina khada toward the east nongchupta toward the pleasant land hedi on Jerusalem bukhane aduna land flowing with honey and milk haina khangna ribane pleasant land Bible na describe tobni masina Jerusalem Israel gi maikeda mahang ko suki mating mapangan kalam mi sidai yenge verse 10 it works great mana kan baje even to the host of the heaven sargagi hosting ado the phamu mapang kalami it casts down some of the host and of the star to the ground masigi host kara hengo magi ni khara aduga thawam misa khara lemai de lang tharami and stamped upon them man khone nelami ai khona haiba little hole ase masi yengase masigi maramda little hole ase gi maramda misna yamna samamna balai adugo ai khoni yengase ai khona who is this little hole haiba masiji kanano mahaksi kalai gi lafano haiba se ikoina yengsi aduna masida ikoina hai mana lafase misina haibna maram modana masi kanano little hole masida pabi matung ina kanago misina hore ayenu mahajarake masi dem haibase ikoina yengseba Hebrew gi waide yam ngai bamna every word wa ikudin se masculine family layer adigi matung dai khona hanbe yai sidai de dem haibase dem ga four notable ones dem na refer to the four notable ones masi mari nataga four winds of heaven khoina sagagi nungsit mari hariba anisigi manunga ai khoina amadi oyane masi mari dugi ayama mission masi mari dugi amani haina mai khale adubu ai khona yengse four winds of heaven wins haibdi akhoi khangare Bible gi matuna akhoi Daniel 7 da ne kan madudi kari ne ba win na represent of the war ne ba strife commotion lan thingna ba ne ba sarga gi achau lan mari sidegi tholopra natriga Alexander na tukra matung tholai ba masi mari asdegi tholopra haibse akhoi yengse Hebrew gi wata dam haibse ke win haibse dam go win ga se masina masculine aduga notable ones haibse ka horn haiba asiga makoi ase feminine way hingo amoy jar ke dam go win ga na masculine notable ones haibse masiga horn haibse masiga na kari way have the feminine way aduwai tarodi one of them means haibse gi arthadi one of the four winds haibne wins mari adudagi man haibne ba masi mari adudagi haiba natte masina tapodi aduna one of them haibdi akan balan mari thongna ba adudagi tholai haibne masina Alexander gi masi magi lebak to mari thongna khaidok padi tholai haiba natte habse yamna kalle ekhoni yengche how powerful is the little hole haiba little hole je yamna kyam sakti chele haiba matam da ekhona pakre Daniel 8:4 da medio portia the ram habse became great hai ko last part became great hai aroi bida became great hai marksi yamna kalli hai yamna hai de ma kalli hai adugi mathang da he got hai se I ta pawa matam da ikhoina khangani I ta pawa matam da very great hai first line da he got wax very great hai great ta gi very great na kan be aduna ram da gi ikhoina haibdi medo porsa degi Krishna kanba hele amu Krishna degi kanba laibak to amu ikhoni yenga seba aduna little hole haibje masina 9 da ikhona yang pabo matam da hai sida hai with wax exceeding great hai exceeding great haibs in a very great degi hena kaleba aduna Krishna degi jo hena kanba medo porsa degi jo hena kanba adugumba laibak adudi ikhona kanano haiba matamda adum khangjare madudi grace bu mai chiba pi kiba laiba adudi kanano Rome haibse masini haibse ekhoina khange adubu kanagumba misina hai masigi little hole se Bible gi prophecy nei na ba misina saran turana ko masi ekhoina masi and Daniel 7 gi khoina little hole antichrist power do adu degi lai thopa yani hai ki da mo khoina art ama hawe madidi khoina Epipen masida ekhoni yengsko Antiochus 4 Epipens haiba ekhoni sairagi nipan suba ningthaudo aduni haina sumna hai adubo ekhoni khanga Seleucus na Sairan kingdom da ningthe makhoi gi dynasty asida ningthau kunga taruk palame kun taruk panba asigi manunda nipan subadi Antiochus 4 Epipens haiba sineba makti asuki mating moi kun taruk pambe gi manunda makhoi kun taruk ki list ai screen da yang biro ai loi paningai leitare aduna asuki matik son ba ning thau amane ba adubu makoina ma bu apply to bigi maramdi mahangna panba matamda mahangna Jerusalem temple da lae aduga ok hale adu I aduna Jerusalem temple sing ado matubu mona lame aduga makogi laisang da khatwa aduga ma patra sanai patra sing aduju kana ngasai ok I adu de lupsalaga mangkheba asina maram oidana mahakase karini haiba matamda mahakni asuna mana little hole se Antiochus Epiphanes haina hai asuna hai ne ba masi aramani maramdi Greece dagi su medo porsa dagi su Greece dagi su hena kanba leiba adudi kana khaktano Rome haiba sini habsni masina haiba little hole power se Rome ni aikoni yengse Daniel 8:23 aikona mu parasi Daniel 8:23 in the later time of their kingdom haiba ni tholeba sing asigi akonba matamda when the transgressors are come to the full transgressor have no represent with the long missing when the in the thugai ba missing have ni ko mo je ishogi missing minung si khamnaba adugumba leibak singni masini lai lakum matamda magi maram sat sida ju khara piri maram sat sing adugi manungda come to the full a king of fair countenance hingo mai thong do na tamthiba hingsa ai tamba mai thong leiban thau amal lakani hami and understanding dark sense aduna arol bawa khangba haibni masiko arom balo leba self stand up lakani hami masig understanding dark sentence habje masai rom na ngang na riba ning thauzer latini masi hebrew masa sing da ko masi sukhang khang de min khang da lo ne sinau sa masi gi symbol je ai ko ni yengsi that ko ne Deuteronomy 28 ta ju masi father masi gi manam da ai ko na pi khre ko ne no ko ni yeng dio 49 ya hore isho gi mission have in the matam ara play back te gi ai na ning thau le ba am thara kan ya ai phajara ke 49 no ko ni handa diten 49 de gi na 50 ga 7 bong no khoi patna phabiu ko masi prophecy se 70 AD de exact fulfill oi gram ni masi yengbiu masi hana prophesy taw kram ni the Lord shall bring a nation against the from far from the end of the earth pitibi ga roi bedagi leiba ama porakani as swift as the eagles fly eagle na yakna pai bdo adugumna mahana pai gani ma khongge nyam thugani a nation whose tongue thou shalt not understand Zati am oigini adu mahaki loan ado na koina khangda pai let na se kana Hebrew sing that is strange way that a nation of fierce contenance hai dan 22 hai du chap chanare amna maithong tamthi ba we shall not regard the power of the old nor shew toward the young han mana na an khap na ko minushi hai ro mana masi 51 da na koi gi mai marong sa san kaino Talk about what came on the Savani, Nakogi 52 down, Nana Nakogi gets in other question Gani, fence walls in other Nakoina, question Gani Nakoina, Tazari Bado, Hibni, Nakogi, with the question to Nalagani, Hibni. At the moment in the sun later than thou shall eat the fruit of thine own daughter, the Natsagi, Nakin Nasan Pishingi, Hadi Makogi Masasingi, Haksang, the Makoina Zagani, Hibni. Masila red and there among you at the Nupishing the Zoo verse the young moment on the young, hiding with Nupishing the Sumokogi, Mapo became Mopti Fox of Massas in the door, Maduda, Mitarakan, Madubo, Sagani had. Hiding for facilities at 70 AD, Tokre, hiding 70 AD Titus Kimakada, Jerusalem sister woman on the 5 months sung with Tamana Koshalaman. Muimapanam, Topum de, Sangam de, go get to Gavum de, Kakanya, whenever they take Mokoin Mataki, sing a Jews Massassin as an Adonation them. Adu Tam, Mangagi Matung, the Mokogi Manungale and Bassani, and the fishing Masada, either mean me, Halak Sada. As Michael Tuna, Jerusalem Gilabak, Veshanki, as Michael Rome, the Hut Kivaze, Aquina, Lak 1100,000 Jews ago, Mokoina, Adumas says the woman from the Salenta Toga, the Bamatamada, Mokoina Siki, Massini, a certain Matico, Tamtina, Hapkiven, Machini, Hidebuse, Tungre, Habse, Equina, Hangi, Aduga Masigi verse, when a city and book, Kangainaze, Aduga Quena Matangadi, 11, 12, 13, 14, Masi, I never know I am Sangani, Masi Manam Yang Sim Masidae, burst and it wax great, Mana, Kale, Aduna Sideda Rome, Masagi toward the south, Habse, Rome, South, Mahana, South Habse, South Habse, Syriani. Maduna Mana 65 BC the Syria of Loxanki is Hibasina is Ditni Mana 30 BC the Loxanki Pleasant Land Havsina 63 BC the Mahana Loxanki Snausa Masidegi Equini Yangbay Adubu Equina Little Hall say Masina represent of the market face Anini Madudi Pagan Rome Amsum Pepper Rome and Imachapula Punsalaga even Masida Masigi prophecy Asida Adubu Equina Magi Pepper Rome Pagan Rome have some Magi gender G and Bomatam the masculine, Aduga Pepper and then a Pepper Rome Gina, feminine way. Aduna verse 10 Asidagidi, when the young Bomatanda, Equina 9 that Yauriba Sinariba Little Holgi, Magi feminine J, when the masculine, Adubu 10 the young Bomatam de Mase, feminine way, Ole. Ola Pahabzi Atadi, Asna, Pagan Rome, the Papel Rome, the Olopogi transition of the way, when the Kanye. Rome de Matamatan, for Matum the Rome, say, Mutki Mata Rome, Atudagi, I can a pagan Rome, say, Live. Consensana, Manan Towed and Toevam, the Moki Dharma, Christian Dharma Loga, Masai pagan or number religion, or in a Christian religion, Oiga, as a minor lucky bagi transition that kind we have. Hidatianda, Manhaiko, even to the prince of the horse. Prince of the horse have them, Masidazu, Man horse of heaven, I call. Horse of heaven, Zazumapang Kali. When a host of heaven Hina Kana Chitanano showed the mission to do when Kane, Masida Hebrew number horse I would say 6635 Tamaki Matuna army Hibani. Aduka star Hibisina Kana Kane, Danen Triaki Trigger Matunina ꯄꯥꯞꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯕꯥꯏꯕꯜꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ some will cast to the down hand to Mokon Pongani, high say, I Masiki text any mox, any mokapavi. When a pagan Rome is showing mission, matic Masim Tingam than a Hali, Aduga pagan Rome, Duna, Equina, Aduga papal Rome, Roman Catholic Church, Idare, Masina Hapajin, Sukimati, Sarana 150 million Christians in a say, Prabhuji Sukristaki Makin in the mission, I say. Mahanga Hali is now, a Sukimati Hali Adugidama, Ishonadi high of little horns, Amata winner, Yeng, Mokoje, Sakti Amata winner, Mokoina Hapaje, Equina Shogi missing, Pagan Rome, the Shogi missing Hali, when I am a mission, a quick Haliba Peter, Aduga, Aquina Peter, Paul Gumba Halip said Roman, when Mamandos in Nakare, Diocletian, Matamda, Christian. I later hapa. Loy hale, and emotion the loy persi, showing missing persecuting the Christian symbol on a book, Sati Adini, Masina, verse 10, Masigidi, Sidalo Shalase, when Atanga, verse 11, 12, Haze, Masida Equina, Pasna, Yenase, the Naminarsi, Hide Basi Masi Bible, Sumba, Snausa, Hide Book Passage, Pazana, the Queen Nebu, Hide Matam Masida Equina Maruina, Roman Catholic Church, Maramda, Ayambo, one in period, Hide Basi, fulfill awakening. ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಬ ಅಸಂಬಸೆ ಇಸ್ನಾವಸ ನಕೋಯಿನ ಕರಿಗುಂಬ ನಕೋಯಿನ ನಿಂಗೊಂದ ಸಂದೋಪ ngамದ್ರಸು ಐಗಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಜಿನ ಫೈನ್ ಶೇರ್ ತೋಬಿಯೋ ನಿಂಗೊಂದಕೋ ಖೋಯಿನ ಅದುಗ ಯೆಂಗಗ ಅಸಂಬಸಿಂಚೆ ಖಂಗಗ ಖೋಯಿನ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯕꯥꯏꯕꯜ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯥꯏꯕꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯊꯅꯥ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯁꯔꯒꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯁꯣꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯍꯤ ꯒꯣꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯕꯨ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯚꯨ ꯌꯤꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯥꯃꯦꯟ